welcome back to my channel. I'm Marshawn if you're new, aka the bald head girl, and welcome back to another video. I know I have been missing and I am extremely sorry about that, but I'm here now and let's get into it. If y'all hear me sound a certain type of way, that is because my I'm really coming out with a real cold. I don't know if it's a head cold, I don't know what it is, but baby, I'm ready to go to bed. So it's the holiday time and I am going out and I just wanted to like come and do my makeup. I'm gonna show you guys how I've been doing my makeup lately, and I've been loving it because I always just change little things, and this is like perfect for the holidays, whether it's Christmas, New Year's, I think that's, or even Valentine's Day. It might can go with Valentine's Day, but I'm gonna stop talking because my mama said YouTubers talk too much. I have been using this combo because I don't know, I just feel like it just really does my face really good. In the winter time, I like to like OD on the moisturizer. Y'all know I already like to, but I really like to OD. So this is the MAC Studio Radiant Moisturizing Illuminating Silk Primer, and I like to use this only on the perimeters of my face. Y'all, if y'all see me looking like so many ways, I have monitors like set up everywhere around me so I can really see if I'm blended. And I like to just keep this on the perimeters of my face. Primer is so slept on. Look at the glowiness that it gives my face. This is so pretty. I love this. I think Arnell put me on that, my girl Arnell. I'm going in with my Danessa Myrick Shimmy Skin. I like to take the slightest amount and just tap it like that. This is literally like Facetune in a bottle. It's that good. This looks amazing. As you can see the glow in my skin. Trust me, this is a great combination, especially the water power serum. I thought the one size was good, but this, oh, she eats down. Okay guys, so for foundation, I am going in with my one size Turn Up the Base Full Beat Liquid Foundation. I love this foundation. She is everything she says she is, and she's so good. And I am in the shade Dark Deep 25 Neutral. Y'all know I tried another shade, but I feel like neutral undertones just look really good on me. Take one pump right now and just go with my finger and do this because I like to just distribute a certain way. I feel like I have a little bit more control when I do this. Taking my Morphe M439 brush and blending this out. I tried to use a different brush, but nothing just does me like a M439. Like a M439 is so good. So as you can see, my foundation is all blended out. Look how gorgeous she is. This looks so good. I love this. So then I'm going in with my Born This Way foundation, concealer. This is the shade Butterscotch and Chestnut. I have caramel, so I'm gonna go in with caramel. I'm gonna go in with caramel, and I'm just gonna start my placement. This is what I like to do to make my face look lifted. Y'all know I do have like a full face, so I just like to let my face be like very sculpted, if it makes sense. So I'm going underneath my eyes. It's such a pretty shade. As you can see, this color is really neutral. I like I said, I really love neutral undertones on me. Sculpting my face. Okay. Then I'm taking a little bit of Butterscotch. Really like just do my own little concoction just because it just seems like it looks better to me in my opinion. So I'm going in with Chestnut by Anastasia. I'm going to take a brush and just put my placement because I don't like for it to just like be everywhere. So I'm just going here. Taking my Smashbox brush and blend this out. I really love this Smashbox brush to blend this out because it's such a seamless and beautiful blend, as you can see. I'm taking my Real Technique setting brush because y'all know I love this brush to blend out my under eye concealer because it just does a great job. But I bounce between brushes, this brush and my Smashbox brush, because I just like the blendability of a brush. It gives me the coverage. A beauty blender just kind of takes it away, but sometimes I go in after just if I feel like I have too much product build up on my face. So yeah, I like to start at the bottom because I really want the most coverage at the underneath my eyes. So I'm just going in and blend this like so. and just really making sure that's nice and blended, and just keep my hands really lightly soft, like real soft. You know, like the further you go down on your brush, it's the softer. The further you get up, like on top of your brush, it's the more pressure. So I like to go like pretty much towards the end, because I don't want my concealer to pick up and just mess up what I just created, because I want the coverage. I don't want to take away the coverage. I'm going for a full coverage. Look, this is going to be a lot of photos, a lot of memories, and I want to be beat, okay? As you can see, very, very nice, very beautiful. As you can see, when I put the caramel in the, what color was this? Caramel and chestnut, you can see the neutrals and the golden kind of like blending in with each other, and it looks so good. Go in with my damp beauty blender, and I go in and just go over it just to kind of get the extra concealer that I have. Just, I think my camera might have cut it off in the mist, but I used my brush and then I went back in with my beauty blender to kind of like pick up the extra concealer that I just had sitting on my face, because the last thing you want concealer on and there's so much on to it, it's like the setting powder is like clinging to it, and you don't want that. You know, I really love to like go in and get that bright under eye. It's just my thing, it's just my go-to. So this is one size in medium dark G. I really love this because it's just so nice and creamy, and it's matte, and it's just give you that Photoshop look that we all be wanting. I'm not the only one that just be wanting the Photoshop look. I know y'all be wanting it too, because I be seeing y'all pictures. Y'all want it just as much as I do. So I'm taking it and I'm going underneath my eyes. Just giving me a little bit. I think I'm almost out. And here, 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 and here. You really want to go everywhere that you really kind of put concealer, because you just don't want to just be like really like just unblended and you got it bright up here and not down here. You gotta make sure your face is balanced. So that is why I do it like how I do it. This concealer you don't have to let dry down, because she is a matte girly. Y'all know Patrick Star, like matte girly. Everything about it is just matte. So you really don't have to let that sit on there too long. Just making sure. I really like going in with a brush, because you can see how the coverage is still there. The coverage ain't going nowhere, baby. You see it? Do you see how the coverage is just still there? She's such a beauty. This is such a nice concealer, and the foundation and the concealer just don't clash, because both of them are like matte. But one thing I will tell you not to do is don't use the one size mattifying primer in all of this, because baby, you're gonna look snatched, but your face is gonna be dry, okay? It's gonna be real dry. So I'm going in with Huda Beauty's and Banana Bread, and I'm going in with a damp beauty blender and start to like press this into my skin. And I like to go like one side, and just really kind of like press that into my skin. Set, put concealer, so because you want it to be set, you don't want it to like just be sitting on your face. Okay. We didn't have that problem today. Thank you, God. Of translucent by one side. Just make sure. I just want a very full coverage look, because if my eyes start watering or any of that, guess what? This is going to keep me very secure. Making sure that's nice. And just Juvia's Place in Dark. I love this bronzer because she just really gives me a nice bronziness look without like making me look like too red. It's just really nice. She's just a really nice shade. I definitely can't do anything without Mocha Mami. Mocha Mami is just really that girl. I love Mocha Mami. She just nice and just really like a nice red shade on us melanin women, and she just looks so good. So I'm taking me a Morphe M573, and I'm just going in and just the top shade and just really going in and kind of going down my nose like so. And this is Inglide gel liner, and this is like in the blackest black. And let me just tell y'all, baby, when I wear this liner, I be like, yeah, she's it. I'm never giving her. I know it's a 9 months expiration, but I'm never getting rid of her. Y'all throw y'all makeup away when it's expired? We need to, because it's actually pretty embarrassing. I think that's why our eyes are watering all the time. So I'm just gonna go in and just give me some liner. You can only need a tad bit of this, like literally the slightest amount, and go get me some liner. I can't talk into this, so I'm gonna just let the music play. You can see it just gives you a little bit of definition. It gives you that full glam without really trying to do a full glam. I'm gonna take me a little that same brush, and I'm just gonna go underneath my eyes to kind of like smoke my eye out just a tad bit. Not really smoke, because sometimes I don't want that like black just to be like in your face black, so I just like to go in. It doesn't really, you know. I'm about to do my brows and my lashes, and okay guys, so I did my lashes, put my lashes on. These are Juvia's Place Biba lashes, B-I-B-A. I love these lashes. These are pretty much the only lashes you'll ever see me wearing because I love them so much. You can tell I'm sick. My eye is like continuously watering, but we're gonna keep going on with the video. So I'm taking my bronzer brush, and I'm just gonna take this and just wipe the excess off, because the last thing I want is a cast to be on my face. And with my Mocha Mami bronzer, and just go in and just really just get this off, just like so. I've been using my Morphe. This is in filter 12. You can see, look how pretty the color is. It's such a good shade. Filter 8. So this is filter 8 by Morphe in Filter Effect, and I'm gonna go in with NCW2. So I just go from like bounce from one to the other, and just really create like a nice under eye brightness. This is the Morphe Filter 8. As you can see, like, look how gorgeous she is, and she just gives you a nice filter effect. Making sure, as you can see, look how pretty, just nice bright under eye. Pretty, gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. I in with One Size Dark Deep. Just really work this into my skin. Start off with Cork Liner by MAC. Y'all know this used to be my go-to. I'm gonna do one of my favorite lip combos I used to like love. So this is Cork. Cork is like my skin tone, just a little bit darker, like maybe a smidge darker. Chestnut. Charlotte Tilbury and Pillow Talk 3, I believe, and just go on my cupid bow right here. I'm gonna take Alma Beauty. Y'all know I used to love Alma Beauties. This is Eartha. Take Caramel by Mario. Y'all know I love her. She's so cute. And the lip maximizer, I think this is 0, and she's so pretty. She's a nice, beautiful brown. I don't think I'm wearing, I don't know if I'm gonna wear blush or not until I put my outfit on. So I'm about to do all of this and I'll be back to cool down. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. Let me take my jacket off because you really can't get into the real like look. Oh my God, I look beautiful. So this is the finished look. I absolutely love this. This earring, for some reason, I don't know why it is doing this, but they're from Shein, so I expect it to do just that. Jesus Christ. All right, well, let me go try to fix this. I'll be right back. Okay, so we are back. This is the finished look. I really love this look. It's so cute. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, girl, and follow me over on Instagram. And I love you guys. And leave a comment. Tag me if you do something with this look. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.